Want to watch live sports for free in 2025 without cable? Here's how you can catch your favorite games online without paying a subscription. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Use free sports streaming websites. There are several free sports streaming websites that let you watch live games. Websites like SportRare or CrackStreams offer live sports streams with no subscription required. Just be cautious of pop-up ads and always use a trusted source. Step 2. Check out free apps. You can also download free apps like Yahoo Sports, ESPN, or the official apps for sports leagues like NFL, NBA, or NHL. They sometimes offer free live streams for certain games or events. Step 3. Watch on social media. Don't forget about social media. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube often broadcast games live, especially for big events or highlights. Some leagues even live stream games directly on their social media channels. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Look for free trials. You can also use free trials from streaming services like Hulu plus Live TV, Fubo TV, or Sling TV. They offer free trials for a limited time, giving you access to live sports channels without a long-term commitment. Step 5. Use an antenna for local sports. If you're into local sports, consider using an HD antenna. It lets you pick up over-the-air broadcasts for local channels that often air games for free. That's how to watch live sports for free in 2025. Use free websites, apps, social media, and even antenna for local games. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.